Hello guys, good morning sa ating lahat. Ayan, makakasama nyo ngayon si DJ Roman sa hindi inaasahang pagkakataon. Alright, kasalukuyan pong nag-aayos pa at nagluloko ang aking playlist. Ayan, siyempre gusto mo nang bati ng magandang umaga sa inyo lahat dyan sa katambay sa ating chatbox ngayon. At siyempre po, sa lahat ng mga nakatune in at ang ating mga bisita sa ating chatbox at siyempre ang nasa ating Facebook group, magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Okay, ang oras natin sa Pilipinas ay ganap na alas 9:16 na ng umaga. Okay, ayan, sir, opo, ako lang, dalawa kami, si Admin Bunso at ako, at siyempre may makatulong ako, hindi ko kayang itaguyod ang ating radio station ng ako lang. Siyempre may meron akong mga katulong, may mga kasama ako dyan. Siyempre po, gusto ko muna batiin ang bumubuo ng radio station 103.0 Pinay Music Radio, si Admin Bunso, siyempre si Advisor DJ Vicky, PMR DJ Stone, ang ating supervisor, at ang ating manager na si Mara Charis. And of course, ang ating head DJ Papalicious and assistant head Master DK. Okay? At siyempre maraming salamat po sa ating mga co-DJs na walang sawang naghatid sa atin ng kaligayahan through music. And of course, ang ating mga chatters dyan sa ating chatbox na talaga ng mga laging nandyan at tumatangkilik sa ating radio station. At ang siyempre nandyan si 29 Batang, and of course happy listening din kay Aero 888 at kay Acer 143, and of course si Boro Toy Ever, Kingston, Lucky Me 25, Mara Charis, at syempre si Mary Chris. Ayan, welcome sa iyo Mary Chris sa ating online tambayan. At pwede mag-request ng song pero ang DJ ang kakanta. Naku, patay tayo dyan. Pagbibigyan kita, ayusin natin yan mamaya. Ano naman yung request ka nata, at yung aking kayang gawin ay siyempre bibigay ko sa'yo ng bonggang-bongga yan. At ang cute naman ng ating profile pic. Sarap isilin ng pisngi. Welcome back sa iyo Mary Chris 06. At syempre si Mood Babes Desperado, PMR April, at si PMR Bong Nas. And saan pa ba? Si Pusong Kuniho, and of course si Rise Sir. Okay, tuloy-tuloy po tayo sa ating pakikinig. Kasama nyo po ang pinakamagandang lalaki nung hindi pa uso ang tao, si DJ Romance.
Smiling back at me, it's like all my dreams come true. I am afraid if I lost you, girl, I'd fall through the cracks and lose my track in this crazy lonely world. Sometimes it's so hard to believe when the nights can be so long, and faith gave me the strength and kept me holding on. You are the love of my life, and I'm so glad you found me. You are the love of my life. Baby, put your arms around me. I guess this is how it feels.
Hey guys, you're still listening to DJ Romance only here at 103.0 Pinoy Music Radio, and you heard the song I love nawala ang listahan ko. Nawala. Ayun, aking nawala. Okay, you heard the song Love of My Life by Eric Santos. Okay? At tayo po'y patuloy na nakikinig dito sa nag-iisang radio station na hindi yun, hindi akin, dahil para sa ating lahat ito. At dahil dyan, kayo ang bida dito. Okay?
To mind the silver screen.
Alright guys, you heard the song Aha. Asa na ba siya? Have Crazy by Nina. Okay? At you still listening to DJ Romance only here at 103.0 Pinoy Music Radio. At syempre, happy listening po dyan sa mga nakatambay sa ating Facebook group. At ayan, nandyan po si ayan, humaharang na naman si Net. Ano ba yan, Net? Alright guys, babatiin ko yung mga nakatambay dyan sa ating Facebook group. Syempre, nandyan si Christine Valiser from nasa Pilipinas pala siya ngayon. At syempre si Riwama Abian ng Cavite. Tama ba? Nasa Cavite ba siya? Nanguhula ako, parang si Madam Ori lang. Si Boy Pick Up and ng Brunei, at si Sam Jad Julie Aiza ng Bahrain. Happy listening sa dyan, Sam. At ikaw yung unang-unang nakita ko sa pagbubukas ko ng Facebook ko kanina, kaya maraming salamat sa iyo. And of course, happy listening to Mars Mercado from Riyadh and Josie Jornadal from Lebanon, and Smiley Minisis from Hong Kong, and Lynn Labadan from Cagayan de Oro City, and the Spicy Girl Sweet Girl Stone ng Canada, and si Ambahan Rems from San Juan City. Okay, tuloy-tuloy po tayo sa ating pakikinig dito sa 103.0 Pinoy Music Radio. At ang ating pong susunod na awitin ay From This Moment, Revival by Agot Isidro. Okay, tuloy-tuloy po tayo. Here we go.
Shattered dreams and broken heart are mending on the shelf. I saw you holding hands, standing close to someone else. Now I sit all alone, wishing all my feeling was gone. I gave my best to you, nothing for me to do, but I one last cry before I leave it all behind. I gotta put you out of my mind this time. Stop living life. I guess I'm down to my last cry. I was here, you were there. Guess we never could agree. While the sun shines on you, I need some love to rain on me. Still I sit all alone, wishing all my feeling was gone. Gotta get over you, nothing for me to do, but I one last cry before I leave it all behind. I've gotta put you out of my mind this time. Stop living life. I know I gotta be strong, 'cause round me life goes on and on and on and on. the very last time. Been living life. I guess I'm down. I guess I'm down. I guess I'm down. To my last cry.
Okay guys, nagbabalik po ang inyong lingkod dito sa ating radio station ng 103.0 Pinay Music Radio. At ayan, nawala na naman at nagkaloko-loko po ang ating playlist. Ayan, at mapapalo ko ng bonggang-bongga yung gumawa nito. Ang ating awitin kanina ay mali. Ang One Last Cry ang ating wala sa sarili ang inyong lingkod. Ano ba yan? Ang pinakamagandang lalaki ng hindi pa uso ang tao. Ayan, galaw-galaw po tayo dyan sa ating chat ba guys. At asa na ba tayo? Ay guys, binabati ko ang aking si Sia Park aka DJ Bunso na nandyan, mag-open pala ng kanyang Skype. Maraming salamat. At sabi raw bakit daw malungkot ang inyong DJ. Kaya hindi naman, may pinagdadaanan lang konti lang naman, makakayanan din to, pasasaan ba. Okay guys, yan, tuloy-tuloy tayo sa ating tugtugan. Ito ang ating susunod na awitin. Ang awitin ni Aisa Sigera, Everything I Own.
You sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. Set me free. The finest years I ever knew were all the years I had with you. And I would give anything I own. Give up my life, my heart, my home. To have you back again. You taught me how to love, what it's all, what it's all. You never said too much, but still you showed the way. Yet I knew from watching you, nobody else could ever know the part of me that can't let go. And I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. And I would give everything I own just to have you back again. Is there someone